Okay, hello dear friends. So this is the origami earring I made, and it's very small. It's kind of hard to make. So I will first show you how to make with large paper. And we use 3 pieces of paper, so I choose 3 different colors so you can see it. The very first step, you fold it in half. I call it a hot dog. And then you fold it another time in half. I call it a skinny hot dog. And make sure it's very accurate, precise. Open it up. This one gets in. This one we fold in, so it's like a little pocket like this. First step, you see there is a line, right? The first line. Fold one time, a straight angle, and then fold another time, still from this point. And if you can use your fingernail, that's good. And I find it's tiring, so I use this tool. I bought it a set of 2 pieces. I will put the link under the description of this video. So we do it perpendicular. Is that diagonal? So it's symmetric to this side. One from the first curve, and then 2 times from the first curve. Okay, so it's symmetric this way. Fold this one in, fold the upper part in, flat it. And here there is a slanted line. We fold to cover this slanted line. Do not cover this flat line. Cover this slanted line. Turn it around. Cover this slanted line. And now we open up. Why? Because we want to put this fold under. And this time we will lift it up and tuck it in. This is right. I turn it around to flatten it again. That's it. 3 of it. Now I will do another time with this paper. It's easier to see. Hot dog, skinny hot dog. Okay, I put it a little bit lower so that you can see better. Do you see it better? Okay. Then we open it up. First, the upper part goes in, the lower part goes in also. From this first crease, fold in one time, fold in another time along this line. Just the opposite, fold in along this line, fold in again along this line, and then we fold this one in, fold this one in, and the slanted line we want to cover it, and turn it around. This slanted line, we want to cover it. Okay, two of it. Okay, now I will flap it and open it up. Put the first one down here. Put this one, open up, tuck it in, turn it around, flatten it. Okay, everything we do 3 times so that we can remember, right? Now I will not say too much. I will just go ahead and do it. And it's important that you use this ruler or flattener. It makes your paper so much easier to fold. It helps the paper to build up a memory, and the paper can remember, because the paper, through your pressure, it's get pressure, get stressed, so it remember what has happened. Okay, the 3 of them is done. Now here there is a line in the middle, right? This way also. Here is a line in the middle. Fold it up, and then pull back the first one so that you can see there is a line. Pull back, and if you do this, not good. This point goes to exactly this point, and then you press so it's perfectly shaped. This one to this point. Sometimes I press it, then press it. You can do by press it even further. Okay, this one, a line in the middle, fold it up, bend it back, bend this back one, back, 2, now the third one, fold it up, bend back, this one, back side, bend it back. Okay, I have 3 basic ready. Now this pointed point goes into this big fat angle, so you can see it's perfectly tucked in. And this one, the pointed angle goes to this big fat angle. This goes back. Now we get a little corner here, a little corner, and lift up this one, lift up this one. This yellow goes into the pink. Now this one goes into the yellow, orange goes to the yellow, and the pink goes into the orange. Okay, now we are done, but they are not looking so perfect, right? You take some time to press in, and if you need, you can use your hand to further press a little bit. And here is not so good, press it in. So that is the little little pyramid, diamond. This is the basic shape. Later I will show you how to put this one in. This is the basic shape. And I have tried to use 6 pieces of paper to make a cube, and use 12 pieces of paper make a spiky ball. It becomes too complicated. So these little 3 pieces of of this shape, I forgot the English name. In Chinese, we call it zongzi. It's like a Chinese dumpling shape. And we just use 3 pieces of paper. Okay? That is the basic shape.